Hi, this week in reading we are going to be learning something new. We are going to be learning about alphabetical order, or ABC order. They mean the same thing, and you might hear me say alphabetical order, or you might hear me say ABC order, but they mean the same thing. So right now I'd like for you to take a moment and think of, what does alphabetical order mean? Alright, alphabetical order is when you put words or names in order using the alphabet. So that's why I have a picture of the alphabet right here. We have all the way from A to Z. So the first thing we need to do before we start putting letters or words in order using the alphabet is go over the alphabet. So on this next slide, I have that song, ABC song. So we're going to go ahead and take a moment and listen to it. Please sing along if you'd like, or just make sure you're listening very well.
A is for apple, apple. B is for bull, bull. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for gorilla, gorilla. H is for hat, hat. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for juice, juice. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for no. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pig, pig. Q is for question, question. R is for ring, ring. S is for sun, sun. T is for train, train. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for watch, watch. And X is for box, box. Y is for yellow, yellow. Z is for zoo, zoo. So many things.
Alright, I hope you enjoyed that little ABC song. Alright, so what we're going to do now is I have a couple of letters, and we're going to put them in order using the alphabet. So up here I have the alphabet all the way from A to Z. Okay, so we're going to use the alphabet A to Z. So what we need to do is, let's first talk about what letters do we see here. We see F. What letter is this? Y. And what letter is this? Q. So we're going to look at these letters and figure out which one of these would go first. What do you think? How about we use the alphabet up here to help us figure this out? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the alphabet and figure out which one would go first. Do I have the letter A? Thumbs up or down? Let's move on to the next letter. B? C? Nope. D? E? I don't see it. F. Do I have the letter F? I do. So that would go first because I do have that letter. Since I didn't have these letters, I couldn't put them there. So I was going to the next letter. So we left off on F. Let's go to G. Do you see the letter G down here? Nope. Let's keep going. H? I? Nope. J? Nope. K? L? M? N? No. O? P, Q. We do see the letter Q, so Q would go next. Do we see the letter R? And I know you're like, we could just put that there, and you can just put that there, but I want you to learn how to use the alphabet to put words and letters in order. R, no. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. We do have Y. So what we did was we had these letters, we looked at them, and we used the alphabet to figure out which one would go first. If someone said, hey, put these in ABC order, we're like, okay, no problem, let's use the alphabet. And that's what we did. We used the alphabet and we figured out which one would go first, second, and then third. Okay? You want to practice this again? Let's do this again. So I have, let's look at these letters. We have M, say M, S, S, H, H, B, B. So we're going to do the same thing. This time I added an extra letter to this activity. We're going to use the alphabet again. Okay, so we have this list of letters, and is it in ABC order, yes or no? No! M, S, H, B is not in ABC order. So to put these in ABC order, to put these letters in ABC order, we're going to need to look at each letter. And we did. We said M, S, H, and B, and we need to figure out which one would go first, right? So how can we do that? What tool can we use to help us put these in ABC order? We can use the alphabet to help us put these in ABC order, right? Okay, let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I'm going to be going through the alphabet. I know we don't see A here, but it's always good practice to start with the first letter, which is letter A. Give me a thumbs up if you see the letter A in this list of letters. No, we don't see the letter A. So we're going to have to go on to the next letter and figure out which is going to come first in this group of letters, okay? Do we have letter B? Yes, this is going to be the first letter in this group, okay? Do we have the letter C? Mm-mm. Letter D? No. Letter E? Letter F, letter G, letter H. We do have the letter H, so H is going to be the second letter in this group of letters that comes next. Let's keep going. Letter I, letter J, letter K, letter L, letter M. We do have M, so M is going to be the third letter. Letter N, O, letter P, letter Q, letter R, letter S. We do have the letter S, right? Okay, so I'm going to give you a moment, and I want you to think of what did we just do. Give me a moment to think about it and put it what we just did in your own words. All right, if you need more time, just pause the video. But what we did was we had a group of letters, right? Yep, there are these right here. And they were all out of order. And I wanted to put them in alphabetical order or ABC order. So I didn't have the letter A, and I don't have all the letters here. I just have 4 letters. So I wanted to put them in order, ABC order, but it was a little bit confusing because I didn't have the letter A, I didn't have the letter C. So I needed a little bit of help. I needed a tool to help me put them in order. So what did I do? I used the alphabet to help me put these letters in alphabetical order. That's what we did. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's little lesson over alphabetical order. also known as ABC order. If I say one or the other, they mean the same thing. We're going to go ahead and listen to a book over the ABCs, and tomorrow we'll continue practicing and reviewing alphabetical order. Hope you enjoyed today's reading lesson.